Hey guys, today we'll talk about how can you create avatar on your PolyAi app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, so you just go down, you click on this sign down here, just click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then you click here on regular here. So then it's going to take you to this list. You click here on upload. So then here you click here on allow to take you to your photos from your device. You select it here to create your avatar. So then here if you want to add avatar descriptions here and gender, so then here descriptions. So in here image style, you select it here. So when you're down, just click here on generate here, then it's going to add with you. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.